Creating QR codes for your Shopify store is an effective way to drive traffic and increase sales. To start, you need to understand what a QR code is. A QR code, or quick response code, is a type of barcode that can be read by a smartphone camera. It contains information such as text, numbers, or URLs that can be accessed when scanned. To create a QR code for your Shopify store, you will need to determine the purpose of the code. Do you want to drive traffic to your website, promote a specific product, or offer a discount to customers? Once you have determined the purpose, you can create the QR code using a QR code generator tool. There are many free and paid tools available online, such as QR Code Monkey or Visma. When creating the QR code, you will need to enter the URL or text that you want the code to contain. If you want to drive traffic to your Shopify store, you can enter the URL of your store. If you want to promote a specific product, you can enter the URL of the product page. You can also add a call to action, such as Shop Now or Learn More, to encourage customers to scan the code. After entering the URL or text, you can customize the appearance of the QR code. You can change the color, shape, and size of the code to match your brand. You can also add a logo or image to the center of the code. Once you have created the QR code, you can download it as an image file and use it in your marketing materials. You can add it to your website, social media, or print materials such as business cards or flyers. When a customer scans the code, they will be taken directly to the URL or text that you entered. Best practices for using QR codes in your Shopify store include making sure the code is large enough to be easily scanned, testing the code to ensure it works correctly, and tracking the performance of the code to see how many scans it receives. You can use tools such as Google Analytics to track the performance of the code. In conclusion, creating QR codes for your Shopify store is a simple and effective way to drive traffic and increase sales. By determining the purpose of the code, creating it using a QR code generator tool, and customizing its appearance, you can create a QR code that matches your brand and encourages customers to scan it. By following best practices and tracking the performance of the code, you can maximize its effectiveness and achieve your marketing goals.